Mini food build videos are going absolutely viral right now, and one video in this niche has already hit millions of views. Pages are blowing up to hundreds of thousands of followers just posting this one style of content. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself using Fotor without any experience. Here's one I made in less than 5 minutes. To get started, head over to Fotor. The link is in the description. Go to the AI image generator. Type in your scene idea. The concept here is tiny workers or miniature figures building or interacting with giant food. Or you can copy my prompt in the description and let ChatGPT help you create more. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical video, choose your quality setting, and hit generate. Here's how mine came out. The detail is honestly incredible for something made in seconds. Pick your favorite image, then head over to Fotor's AI video generator. Upload your image and write a short motion prompt describing the action. I also put the specific video prompt in the description. Set the output to 1080p and hit generate. And that's the whole workflow. Here are a few more videos I made using this exact method. All the links and prompts you need are in the description below. If this helped, make sure you subscribe. I post new AI content tutorials every week so you never miss the next viral niche. See you in the next one.